Hello again, my name's John. I'm a retired chef from the northeast of England in the UK and welcome to my latest video. In this one I'll be making this very easy to do ham and cheese crustless quiche, so there's no need to make any pastry for this one. It can be served hot or cold, it's quick, it's easy and it's absolutely delicious. You can view the ingredients list and full written method for this recipe on the recipe page on my website. I'll leave links at the end and under the video, or just click on the eye icon top right of the screen. Before I go any further, I'd like to give a quick shout out to this week's Patreon and PayPal donators, and they are Naima Ryan, Alan Thomas, Ralph Kugler, James Warhurst, Craig Vermes, Catherine Carlilly, Linda Thompson, John Bedwell, Charmaine Castro, Robert Langley, Kevin Johnson and Jutta Schneider. Thank you so much everyone, it really does go a long way to help support the channel and the website. Right, before starting the recipe, preheat your oven to 190 degrees Celsius, that's 375 Fahrenheit or gas mark 5. I'm setting mine to 170 because my oven is fan assisted and it runs about 20 degrees hotter than indicated on the dial. I'll start the recipe by finely chopping the spring or green onions. Don't forget you can view the ingredients list and full written method on the recipe page on the website. Next, I'll finely chop the garlic clove. You can add as much or as little as you like. This next ingredient is optional, but I use these mild onion flavoured chives because they give the quiche a nice appearance. If you can't get them, just use an extra spring or green onion. I'll also chop these two nice slices of boiled ham into small pieces too. You'll also need 85 grams, that's 3 ounces of grated mature or strong cheddar, 30 grams, that's 2 tablespoons of single cream and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now these are the dimensions of the oven-proof pan I'll be baking mine in, but you can use any suitable flan or quiche dish, but not the ones with the removable bottoms for obvious reasons. And for this size pan I need 5 large eggs. If your dish is larger or smaller than mine, just adjust the amount of eggs that you need. Now give the base and the sides of whatever dish you're using a good coat of butter. I'm using my homemade butter here, so if you want to know how it's made, check out my homemade butter video. It's very simple to make. I'll leave a link in the description box below the video or just click on the eye icon top right of your screen. Right, I'll begin by whisking up the eggs, salt and cream. Give this a good whisk to add plenty of air so it'll get a good rise in the oven. And in goes the cream. You can use single or double cream, it doesn't really matter. Or at a push you could use a couple of tablespoons of full fat milk, but cream is better. Now you can add the cheese, onions and garlic and the diced ham and gently fold it all together. And like I said, gently fold this together because you don't want to knock any of that air out of the mix. Okay, transfer the mixture to the buttered pan or dish or whatever you're using and even out the ingredients. Now get it into the preheated oven and set your timer for 20 minutes. Right, once the time's up, get it out of the oven and let it settle in the pan for a couple of minutes. After it's been resting a while, carefully, as it's still quite hot, get it out of the pan or dish and onto a plate as shown. Or you could let it cool and get it into the fridge, as this can be served cold too. Right, I'll cut a couple of slices off so you can see what it's like on the inside. And this quiche is also an ideal low carb meal for anyone who's on a keto diet. And I really wish you could smell this, it's absolutely wonderful. But you know what to do about that, don't you? And doesn't that look fantastic? Simple, quick, easy and very tasty. We like to have this with a nice salad, in this case a wonderful red onion and tomato salad. Right, that's my wife's evening meal sorted out for when she gets in from work, because she prefers hers cold. I'll have to try a piece myself while it's still hot, so I'll do a little taste test. And just as I knew it would be, it really is delicious. Soft, light and fluffy and bursting with flavour. Now I always do my wife a chilli and garlic dressing when she has salads, and I didn't mean to show this part. I didn't realise the cameras were still running, so I may as well show you how I make it. All it is a finely chopped chilli pepper. I would normally add chopped garlic too, but in this case there's garlic already in the quiche. To a small bowl, add a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, followed by 1.5 tablespoons of a good quality olive oil. Add the chopped chilli and give it a good mix. And that's it, this makes a beautiful salad dressing. Well, that's about it for this one. I hope you've enjoyed it and I highly recommend you give this a try. I just know you'll give it the thumbs up too. And once again, please help support the channel by joining my Patreon appeal for as little as $2 per month, or make a one-off donation via my PayPal page. It really will help keep the channel going. Well, thank you again for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe by hitting the circle above. If you do subscribe, activate the bell icon next to the subscribe button on my channel page. And by doing that, you'll be automatically notified every time I upload a new video. And in the meantime, here's a few of my other videos and playlists that you may want to watch. So, until the next time, be safe in the kitchen and bye for now.